Yes, sir. You know, you have to start off the show right by getting it detailed. Yes, sir. It's hot as fuck, man. Drinking the thing already. Shout out to Z06 Detailing. Just got stamped. Photo mob, another truck. Yes, sir. Oh, Squatted Trucks, Texas. Okay, yeah, fast enough.
Hey, how much you pay for your bags?
Huh?
How much you pay for your bags real quick?
Shit. The main man. Oh! ¿Qué onda, pa?
Mira, puro solo vos, cabrones.
A huevo, pa.
La mayoría de los eventos en Texas.
A
En
huevo.
Estados Unidos.
Que andamos, pa, propiciar aquí, ya se lo sabe, ya sé.
Pasamos.
Muy bien. A ver si.
You can rent that motherfucker for $19.95.
This man could eat it 20 and bring it back with tires. Ya quedó, güey.
Yeah.
Tráigala con el pinche swap de una vez, güey.
Drag that bitch! Give a fuck? I hope this motherfucker hit me. I know you got good insurance. CA, but he keep it clean though. Okay, I'll see you over here. I'll see you over here. Yeah, I see you. I see you. Yeah, that truck is clean, but he got that sticker from Wish. Look. Fire!
That's good. That's it. Waiting on them boys. Vuelta. Estamos haciendo, güey. Oh, va a chocar. ¿Dónde está? Chilling. ¡Ah, la verga! ¡Hora! No pasa nada, cuz. Huevo. El copita Guero MP. Yes, sir.
I'm here.
The nigga was like, I'm gonna go back to Houston. I was like, not yet.
It's gonna be the same way, either way.
A huevo.
Si fuéramos para trabajar a la verga. No. Pero para la puta vironga.
I think so. I was walking one.
Sácala aquí, güey.
We gotta go to the side though. Really? No, dude. We should see this nigga right now. He was driving this bitch down the thing like hurt, nigga. Baby. Bitch, watch out, God damn, George.
¿Cómo, bitch? ¿Qué estamos hablando?
Hey, let's go to the front.
Puro VIP,
No mames, bitch, my heart's gonna give out, nigga.
Oh.
Fuck, we crashed. That's why don't drink and drive.
Yo descarada y
Whew, that was a lot of pushing, nigga. No mames. Oh, great, nobody's here in the entrance. Hell yeah. Dale, go.
La ropa, espérate.
Con ropa.
mucha ropa.
¿Y si va a caber ahí?
Sí, güey.
That's what she said. Jeez, güey. Nah, fíjate que I'm not too bad, though. Man, they kind of flew in a way. And OTM is gonna get so fucking crazy.
Sí, pues ahí te dejan hacer.
Se hizo. This was only minimum, what is it, 300 pounds?
Shit.
Güey, que se caiga el pinche elevator, güey, ¿qué vamos a hacer, güey?
Pues tomar. We got water, juices, whatever.
Fuck that, we got beer.
Hey, whatever you want.
Y loco la hacen pamear.
Aquí en la orillita. In the empty bottles. Start stacking them up on the edge. Loco, it's gonna crash, but it's okay, I got insurance, come on.
Estaba con la mercancía.
Boom. Gang shit, no lame shit?
Sir, no lame shit.
What's going on here?
Hey, I ain't gonna say nothing, bro, but hey.
You just, look. You just walk in there and stand normal and then just stare at her without saying nothing. We're gonna wait outside.
Tell her you're a big fan of her. Really big fan.
Oh, we got the wrong hole, boy. Oh my god.
Excuse me, man.
Fuck you, the fuck you excuse me, man, bitch.
Es que miró mucha gente mejor. Es que miró mucha gente mejor.
She's seen a lot of Mexicans. Nah, you know what? She's seen a lot of Mexicans, and then Güero MP, todo Güero.
I'm trying to be nice and let her go by herself, nigga, in the elevator and no piso.
Hey.
What you got there, baggy man? Oh, thank you. You got there, right?
I wanna ask the people something. Hey, what's the craziest shit you done in a hotel? Leave a comment.
Ooh, that's for real. Y'all comment for shit show.
Drink it up, Güero.
How you doing, sir?
Hey, how's it?
Yellow.
I came here to vandalize the good citizens of where are they? Ennis, Texas. Ennis, Texas. What you doing there? Hey, you got it. They charge for that shit. You know what?
Table. I don't want to hear no mamadas. Bitch, you're the main one. Talking about bottles and
They said, what's up with that 3 for 10 special on them shirts? But what's up? What's good? Let me know.
I was in Cali.
I gotta talk to HR. This accounting department.
One time just crying. Hey, bro, you see what happened? I was at Cali. Hey, bro, last night I was just in Cali.
Hey,
I can't believe I was in Cali and now I'm in Ennis.
Why is the truck low on gas? Why are you shirting
I
iron?
got a job in Cali now.
Why are you shirting iron? Oh,
I
because
got
he was
hired
in Cali.
I got hired in Cali.
Fucking example from Buc-ee. Oh, we still got water? Oh, yeah. I want some beer. We need some crystal clear water from God's pond, wait, because, man, God knows I'm having it right now, wait. What's that? Oh, yeah.
Bring us back to life.
Bring me back tomorrow, fucking. Yeah, I'm gonna get so capped on because it's not core, wait.
Oh.
Pero aquí no venden core. Ese pedo, hija. I gotta dispose of this stadium. Nobody see nothing, all right. I got no idea how ham this water is. It will go hard, bro. Oh, it's good, hell yeah.
Come on, Bob, we gotta go because Camelo finna sponsor.
Oh, yeah? I don't know about y'all. I'm over here fucking shopping at Buc-ee's. And nigga, look at these prices they got. If you ever trying to come work at Buc-ee's, then y'all come apply. Y'all get paid good, bro. Damn, man. Damn. Got that good prices. Look on the side. Oh, yeah. Double the trouble, my nigga. Bless you. That wasn't a chinga 20. Anyways. We already headed back. Bien moscado. Hey!
Bring his car seat at.
What?
Hurry up. Hey, get the little step ladder. You can get this man in there. Well, you already got your food separate?
Nah. Hold on.
That was just one of the whole things, right?
Yeah.
Separated right now.
I just got like 3 things.
Did you have a drink too, Wayne?
Yeah, una soda.
Coke?
Yeah, Coke. Yeah.
There's a Coke, what you said?
This is all y'all, so here you can keep this
You
box.
didn't have beaver nuggets?
Yeah, I did. You didn't grab them?
No, I didn't get no beaver nuggets.
Oh, those. Ah, no! Mine. That's all.
Go home.
Where you going?
I gotta go back to Cali.
Oh shit, going back to Cali. So yeah, we're on our way back from Ennis. It started raining. I might have it in my backpack.
Yeah, it was bad rain.
Try it again. Oh yeah, but wait, this is the next day already. Yeah, we're already on the way back next day. Yeah, that's you.
Hey, what am I looking for?
$5. Chill. Down with my Tio Art, little co-pilot George.
On the sleep.
DC. Woo. Shout out to Dallas Drop Trucks for the invitation. Summer Truck Invasion. Thank you for Top 75. Ya viene con una little stand también, güey, para que la sientes ahí, para que todos miren. Ya. Hey, but yeah, thank you to everybody that pulled up to the show. That said what's up, took pictures and copped the merch. Muy bien. No, pues con madre. I don't know what the fuck. I'll see you like in about a week or a month. Nah, come back, muy bien. Shout out, thank you. Estamos en this. La otra. That is what we're texting everywhere.